In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request files from anyone using Dropbox. If you've ever needed someone to send you documents, photos, or videos without giving them access to your entire storage, Dropbox's file requests make it simple and secure. Here's how to set one up from start to finish. Start by opening Dropbox and signing in to your account. On the left side of your home screen, you'll see a navigation panel. Click on File Requests. This is the dedicated hub where you can create new requests and manage existing ones. To create a new request, select the Request Files button. A window labeled Create New Request will pop up. You'll see a field where you can describe what you're asking for. This description is optional, but a short note like project photos or signed agreement can help your contacts know exactly what to upload. If you prefer to keep it simple, you can leave it blank. Next, choose where the uploads will be saved. By default, Dropbox will use a folder called File Requests. If you want the files to land somewhere else, click Change Folder and pick any folder in your Dropbox. This is helpful for keeping things organized, especially if you're requesting files for different projects. You may also notice an option to set a deadline. That feature is available only on certain paid plans, so if you don't have access to it, just skip it. When you're ready, click Create to confirm the file request. Now Dropbox will ask who you want to request files from. Type the person's name or email address in the box. You can send a request to anyone, even if they don't have a Dropbox account. If you'd like, include a short message with context or instructions, but that's optional. You'll also see an option to use a shareable link. If you prefer, copy that link and send it through your own email, chat, or messaging app. Either method works the same way for the recipient. When everything looks good, click Share. Your contact will receive the request by email or directly in their Dropbox, and they'll be able to upload files straight to the folder you chose. They won't see anything else in your Dropbox, which keeps your account private and secure. After sending the request, it will appear in your file request list. From there, you can track whether files have arrived and close the request whenever you're finished collecting submissions. And that's it. Quick, organized, and safe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.